Hello friends, um, this is the laptop of my fellow teacher, and she is asking me to fix this because she said that it's not working anymore. It doesn't have any power. Um, of course, if it has no power, it has no display. And tried to fix this, and I just realized that its motherboard is not working anymore. It's damaged. It has a damaged motherboard. And if you can see also here, this part here, that it's already like something. The laptop is really an old one. You just see this here, exhaust fan, it's already broken. And the hinges, blah blah blah, is not it's damaged also. And if you see the laptop, it's really an old one. She said that she has been using this for 7 years now, and then I'm gonna be returning this to her. But I told her that your laptop is not working anymore. You cannot use it anymore, but you can still use something in here. That something is very important. That something is really like, if this is your laptop, you just have to throw this away because you cannot use this anymore. And probably some of the parts here, the other like some of the parts of the motherboard, probably if it's if you want to see this, you can still use some parts, but it's already technical. You need somebody, technician, to take them one by one. But if, for her, she's a novice. She doesn't know anything about computer. She's just a user. So for her, as I am thinking that she will really throw this away. But I had to tell her, I already told her that your laptop is not working anymore. You cannot use it anymore. So it's really damaged. And then she said that, oh, if that is the case, so what should I do with that? Probably I would just, she said, I would just throw that away. But I told her, there is still something in here that you can use, a very important one. That is, I told her, your HDD or your hard drive. Oh, and then, oh, if that's the case, that's really good, she said. And because all my files are there. Yep. So if this is your case also, when you have this, don't throw your laptop because it's not working anymore. You cannot use it anymore. You have to know that the most important one part of your laptop is your storage device, your hard drive, because that is where you can find your files. So don't throw it away. If you go to the technician and you she said that your laptop is not working anymore, your laptop is already damaged, you cannot use it anymore, still there is a hope, and that hope is what I'm gonna show you. That is where to how to get your your hard drive. This is very simple, friends. So here we'll just unscrew this. See this part here? It's really dusty here. So this is the RAM, this is the fan, and this is the hard drive, your storage device. So this is the most important one. You can still use, still use your damaged laptop. The most important one is this part, because this is where your files. So this is our storage device. This is where we can find our files. We took this from this laptop, and we need to have something to get access to this hard drive. And but we need to have something to get access to this hard drive. And here, this enclosure where we can put this hard drive so that we can access the files here. So this is an enclosure, and but before that, because it's not fit here, because of this protective shield here, so we have to put this off by unscrewing. See here, that's it. So this is our hard drive, and this is the protective shield for our hard drive to be safe. And you have to be careful when you have this, because our hard drive, our storage device, is very sensitive. So do not allow this to get shocked or fall down, because it damages our hard drive. So you put this very carefully, very slowly, and since we have taken already the protective shield, so this is here. Our enclosure has something like this, and if you see this part here, so this is where we put our hard drive so that we can get access to the files. We can retrieve, we can manipulate all the files here. So here, just see the slot, and you have to fit this with this part of the storage device. So here, okay, so this part here, since this is a smaller one, this fit to this part here, and bigger one fit to this part here. Okay, so we just slide this here, and then that's it. Okay, since the enclosure is also a sliding one, the type is a sliding cap, so you just put that here, and then do not forget that this is still nothing without the cable. So the cable should be used to access the data that you have in your storage device. So that's it. Okay, so that's it. Probably this enough for now, since we need to have the files here taken through our laptop. Okay.